Sometimes get in the way of your 5 a day. So Morphy Richards developed the new electric Spiralizer Express that helps you make quick and easy meals with a twist. Transforming fruit and veg into courgette, ribbons and spaghetti makes mealtimes fun. And with inspirational recipes, enjoy a healthier and fun new way towards your 5 a day. Morphy Richards Spiralizer Express. Together, we'll make it.
They always have the best ice. So clear. What if you wanted fancy ice for your at-home cocktails? Now you can, with the Neat Ice Kit. The Neat Ice Kit comes with a special insulated mold that uses the science of how ice freezes to create a large brick of ice, the top half of which is completely clear. Using the included tools, you can then break this ice brick into different sizes, which adds a really fun step to the process of making a cocktail. These different ice types will cover virtually any drink. For example, a big-ass crystal clear ice cube. Split the ice brick in half and you have a crystal clear cube. This is perfect for drinks like the old-fashioned, where slow dilution is required. The cloudy half of the ice brick can be used in a shaker or stirring glass. Large ice chunks. With the included ice chisel, you can break the clear portion of the ice brick into chunks. These will work in any drink and are especially useful in tall and narrow drinks like the Tom Collins. Crushed ice. Using an old school Lewis bag and a wooden bludgeon, you can create the perfect ice for summertime drinks like the mint julep. Each Neat Ice Kit comes with an ice mold, an ice chisel with included bottle opener, a Lewis bag for making crushed ice, and a wooden muddler, also used as a club with the chisel and Lewis bag.
Hypercool. Hypercool. It's easy. Place your canned drink into the frozen insert and start the revolution. Chilled in 60 seconds. With friends, with family, outside, inside, anytime, anywhere. Enjoy every day with Hypercool. Whatever you do, Hypercool fits into your lifestyle. Set the frozen insert, add your favorite drinks, and start the revolution. All you hear is the sound of silence. Cold in 60 seconds, ice cold in 90 seconds. Whatever temperature you like, it's your choice with Hypercool. Why carry around a big heavy cooler when you can chill with style?
Aw, man!
Honey!
Mom!
Did you get Parmesan? Did we get limes?
Toilet paper.
Lettuce.
Bananas.
I got this.
Cookies.